Hey guys, Terry Hay here again. We're back in the shock treatment workshop. Today we've got a beautiful Ducati V2 Panigale and we'll be fitting aftermarket suspension components to it. Now, when it comes to suspension componentry, everyone's aware of Öhlins. Öhlins are possibly the most well-known product out there, and for very good reason. They build a solid product, good performing, and if anything, I would consider Öhlins to be like the Mercedes-Benz of suspension. That doesn't mean you can't buy a Bugatti Veyron. So when it comes to all-out performance, there are more exotic products out there, and my favorite product at the moment is by an Italian company called Matris. Now, here we're fitting the Matris R-Spec shock absorber to this bike, and it has some really cool features. First of all, if we look at the adjustability of it, it has high and low speed compression damping adjustment, has rebound damping adjustment, hydraulic preload adjustment, and ride height adjustment. But the build quality is amazing, and the engineering that goes into this product is far superior to a lot that are out there, if not most, if not all. But the product itself, it's all made out of 7075 billet aluminium. The coatings are super slick, so we get limited friction for maximum wheel response, and that involves the anodic coating on the shock body plus the titanium nitride coated shock shaft. Now, beyond just friction, if we were to open this up and you see the effort that Matris go to with their internal componentry, it is more than anyone else that I've seen. Their efforts that promote damping performance are amazing. So this product will always offer you better wheel response, better bump management, and greater stability. So, there are some very well-known products out there, but if you're considering something for your own bike, take the benefit of our nearly 30 years in this game and basically check out Matris for yourself. It's a very impressive product, certainly my favorite for road bikes, and cannot mention them highly enough. They are a really lovely bit of gear.